You have shown a lot of support to the other actors. जैसे कि एग्जांपल दूंगी मैं एक, मैंने देखा लव्यापा के टाइम में आपने खुद ही अपने मन से आपने मूवी देखी, आपने जुनैद और खुशी के लिए वो डाल दिया था वो पोस्ट. बट आप नहीं करते हो, लेकिन आपके फैंस और आपके चाहने वाले ये क्वेश्चन ज़रूर करते हैं कि आपकी मूवीज़ के टाइम में क्या आप लोगों को वो सपोर्ट मिलता था और वो मिलना चाहिए.
इट इज़ नॉट दैट कोई सपोर्ट दे या ना दे, दैट डजंट किसी ने नहीं किया तो दैट्स नथिंग.
श्योर,
इससे कुछ वो तो नहीं है कि कुछ कम हो जाएगा. इट इज़ दिल किया तो कर दिया, जो नहीं दिल किया नहीं किया. बात यही है, उससे कोई कुछ अंडरलाइनिंग नहीं होती.
You don't.
I don't take it that way, and उससे वो बहुत छोटी बात है.
You put out the post. Did it kind of make you feel a little uncomfortable, or you felt bad for because the movie didn't work and they got so much trolling?
See, I mean, मैं इतनी डिटेल में किसी चीज़ के बारे में कभी जाता नहीं हूँ, बिकॉज पता ही है इंडस्ट्री ऐसी है, कभी किसी की तारीफ कर रहे हैं, कभी ये कर रहे हैं. सो वन डजंट टेक इट सो थिंग. बट अच्छा नहीं लगता कि ऑब्वियसली दुख होता है कि जब लोग ऐसे करने लग जाते हैं, बिकॉज एक मुझे लगता है ये मोबाइल पे लोग इसका जो ये कर रहे हैं वो खुद की अंदर की चीज़ निकाल रहे हैं,
भड़ास.
या उससे दैट डजंट. And I would tell all the younger generation and even us and everyone, anybody says that, just don't even read it. Put it across and just move ahead.
खुद के मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए.
Yeah, because कुछ पढ़ोगे तो ये नहीं कह सकते कि नहीं इफेक्ट करता. इफेक्ट तो करेगा. Because anything which you hear or thing has gone in. बिल्कुल. ये नहीं बोल सकते यहाँ से सुना और यहाँ से निकाला. It's not possible. It's easy said than done. But best is to avoid the stop your comments and just carry on, because being an actor, you need to reach out to people. So you just reach out.
Fair enough. Very wise thing to say. 41 years, almost 41 years of Arjun, I think. Yeah. 40 years to hai, must be 41 years of Arjun.
Released in 85, I think so. Yeah.
Around that time. 40 years of Arjun. Yeah. तो कुछ हम एक दिखाते हैं जो we've actually, you had made it, but I thought it was very cute. So let's understand how Arjun was and how Sunny sir was in it. Here, बिल्कुल पहला वाला देखो, 40 years of Arjun. Let's go.
This film was one of our favorite films, because when I came into the industry, that time, youngsters were not doing the younger roles, It was the senior actors all were doing it. And cinema was very different what was happening around that time.
Ji.
Amit ji, Papa, Vinod Khanna ji, Shatru ji, so many of other actors were there. They were ruling the industry, and the cinema was of that genre. So this was a very challenging genre, but this is what we wanted to do, because Rahul, me and Javed Sir, we decided, my friends, they became producer from this film. We all wanted to make a film, We were very inspired by West Side Stories and all those films.
Those young,
which was not happening. And
the passionate young stories.
And we ourselves, during that time, the college days, life was like this. There was violence and there was a lot of all these things happening around, and the youth was being exploited, and there was a employment problem, and सब कुछ ही चल रहा था. So then that's how we came across, we worked on this subject and we did it.
So it was very relatable to what was happening at that time.
Yeah, and then we wanted to do it as real as possible.
Yeah.
And that time people were doing many films together. एक film नहीं करते थे. But I was just doing this film. We were wanting to do, let's make a good cinema and all. तो हर चीज़ जो भी इसमें की, we really, I cherish it, and I'm very proud of it, and it was a great experience doing this film.
I think you were so much fun and incredible in it. That energy that you had is very different.
We were just doing everything. We were not even bothered. उस साइकिल के साथ गाड़ी में उसको मैं खींचा, चलती हुई गाड़ी चल रही है, कोई स्टंट डबल नहीं, कोई सेफ्टी नहीं, कुछ नहीं. We were just doing them. वो जालियों पर ऐसे ही चढ़ जाते थे, ऊपर से छलांग मार के उधर चले जाते थे, यू नो. एंड अब तो कोई सपोर्ट है, कभी ये है, कभी वो है. दैट टाइम इट वाज, आई मीन ऑब्वियसली दैट टाइम व्हाटएवर वाज देयर वाज देयर.
बट सर स्टंट्स तो आप अब भी खुद ही करने की कोशिश करते हो. तो ज़्यादा बदला नहीं है वैसे.
That's not because of the stunts, it's because of, like I said, I'm more into sports, so for me it is like a sport I'm playing. And to whatever extent I can do it, I do it.
क्या ये सच है? बेताब के टाइम में आई थिंक योर फादर वाज कंसर्न्ड दैट यू वांटेड टू डू द स्टंट्स ऑन योर ओन एंड देन यू सेड, and even after that?
Yeah, but dad was concerned that, you know, because action hoga is picture mein, because there was a lot of horse riding, bucking sequences, controlling the horse and into the mountains and everything. So he didn't want, no father wants a child to do any such thing. So, but my action doubles, they were not able to do it. So then I was saying, why can't they do it? What is there? A ghoda hai, it's bucking. You have to sit on it and not fall down. So let me try it. And that's how it all started. And I managed. मैं नहीं गिरूँगा, देखता हूँ कैसे गिराएगा साला.
आपने कहा एक्शन आपके लिए सबसे इजी है. That's amazing. एंड आपके लिए रोमांस और डांसिंग आपको मुश्किल लगता है?
Romance is not so difficult.
Dancing.
It's basically dancing. That's the only time where I feel I'm out of character.
But even your romance has been very intense. I feel like if you think of some of these epic romantic scenes, but does it, because you're a shy person, how did you get over that? Because you know in romance
romance is something which is not something which you plan. Romance is a feeling.
बिल्कुल.
Right? You don't do it on apps. It's a feeling. And a feeling which comes across, which you have to share it across, the way you are, the way your personality is, and the way the character has to be. I've always said my film Gadar is the most romantic film. वैसी romantic film कोई है ही नहीं. लोग पंप की बात करते हैं, but I said it's that truck driver जो कुछ भी नहीं है और वो एक खूबसूरत सी लड़की को देखता है और उसकी औकात भी नहीं है, and how he, you know, the way it is, the innocence and the way he is trying to do it, it's so beautiful. अभी कोई बोलेगा मेरे को ऐसा कैरेक्टर प्ले करना है, मैं म्यूजिक बजा रहा हूँ, कर रहा हूँ, कोई देगा ही नहीं.
But I have a feeling you will still do it. I don't know. I think you can still do it.
I don't know. I mean, anyway, so that's what I always say, you know.